New year, new beginning. It has been true for me. I didn't know how much I can make by selling oil until I ventured into oil ATM. And believe me, I've made a lot.
It shows your statement.
Okay, pal, here it is. This is the M-Pesa statement from my merchant account. So all the transactions that happens through Lipa na M-Pesa are recorded here. This merchant account is strictly for the transaction that happens by selling oil from an oil ATM. You can see that the statement period is between 21st January and 21st February. Then I've already accrued a total of 38,000 Kenyan shillings in a period of 1 month. So to me, this is one of the most profitable business I've ever ventured into. What is a oil ATM? Oil ATM is simply a oil dispenser that dispenses the amount of oil which is equivalent to the amount of money that is keyed in on the dispenser. What are the factors that one should consider when selecting an oil ATM? I'll discuss these 4 factors, that is capacity, branding, accuracy, and insulation. So the first factor is the capacity. Capacity is very important, and this will depend on your customer population target. If you have large number of customers, I prefer you go for a larger capacity, while medium size you can maintain smaller capacities, and usually the least capacity is the 20 liters capacity. The other bigger capacities comes with a tank, the stainless steel tank. The next thing is branding. Branding is very important because it's the branding that will attract the customers. So your machine will be marketing itself. You don't have to move around telling people that you have an oil ATM machine. Let the branding attract them to your shop. The next thing is accuracy, and this is achieved by looking for a good supplier or manufacturer who has got good reputation out there about his or her machines. Then lastly, insulation. Insulation is very important because if insulation is poor, it means you'll use a lot of electricity to keep your machine warm inside to avoid the oil from freezing and becoming solid. So insulation is very important, and the best thing to consider for oil ATM in terms of insulation, look at the material. The best material should be wooden or chipboard.
Everything reminds me of you, and everything is now.